Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a soldier woman. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Okay little artists, today we're drawing a soldier woman. So we're gonna start on the top of the paper and the first thing we're gonna do is the nose with a backwards letter C. And then next to this nose, I'm gonna do two little eyes and I'm just gonna do two circles. And I wanna fill those circles with black. So one here and another one. And underneath the nose, we're gonna put a big smile for this soldier. Next, we're gonna do the face. And for the face, I'm gonna do a letter U that goes around all these things that we just draw. So I'm gonna start on the left side and I'm gonna go around the mouth and to the other side. Okay? And then from this point, I'm gonna do the ears. I'm gonna do one here and one here. And we're gonna put a little line inside. Okay? Now I stopped the face just here because we need to do her hair and the hat. I'm gonna start with the hat. So I'm gonna leave a space in between the eyes and I'm gonna do a letter U. So it's gonna look like this. It's a Y letter U and this is gonna be the top of her hat. Now we're gonna join this line with this letter and I'm gonna start doing one and two curves and on this side the same thing for her hair. And you can change this part if you don't want. I want to make mine to look like curly hair, but you can make it a straight line if you want her to have straight hair. Now I'm going to join these two lines by doing a line that goes from side to side. And on the top, I'm going to do kind of like a rectangle shape. Okay. Next, I want to do the top of the hat, and this hat is a little square, so I'm going to go up here, and now I'm going to join this part with a line. Now, before I finish the hair, I'm going to mark where the body goes, and then we can finish the hair. I want to do underneath the chin, we're going to do a curve. It's kind of like a U shape. Then I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to do a line that goes down. I'm going to leave a space here and do a line that goes down. And we can join these here with a curve. Okay, now let's mark where the arms go. So from this corner, I'm going to go down with a curve. And from this corner, down with a curve. And just join right here to the body. Now that I have the body marked, I can finish the hair. And I'm just gonna do curves. They go around, pass behind the ear, going here and here. Like I said, you can change this part if you want to. Okay, this is just an idea. You can do straight hair or you can do two buns underneath her ears. Okay, now let's put eyebrows and we're just gonna go two little lines here on top of her eyes. And you can even put lashes. We're gonna do two little lines on the side of her eyes. Now we're gonna do a line here on the center and we're gonna go down. We're gonna mark where the collar goes. I'm just gonna go from this side, we're gonna go around and up. Around and up. Okay, I want to mark a couple pockets here, so I'm going to start with a line and we're going to do a U shape underneath. And the same thing here, a line and a U shape. And now I want to continue with the pants. We're going to do two straight lines going down. So I'm going to start here on the left side, I want to do down, one here on the center, and another one right here. If it's easy for you, you can start with the one on the center. Now on the bottom, I'm gonna do a curve and a curve. We're gonna go up a little and we're gonna mark where the boots are gonna start with a line. And now I wanna continue with the shoes. I wanna do 1, 2, 3 lines. We're gonna close on the bottom, and we're gonna finish the bottom of the shoe with a square or a rectangle and a rectangle. Okay, now we're gonna do the top part of the shoes. So I'm gonna do 2 half a circles here, 1 on each side. I'm gonna repeat that here, just like that. And we're gonna put 2 little dots inside in these half a circles. And now for the shoelaces, we're gonna cross with an X, cross with an X. Now let's do the hands, and the hands are just gonna, I'm just gonna go like 2 curves, 1 and 2, and inside I'm putting 1 and 2 lines for fingers. To finish this female soldier, I'm just gonna go and mark where the camouflage is gonna be. So for the camouflage of her suit, I'm just gonna do irregular lines. Okay, that means the lines that wiggle and go around, and I can make it look like different shapes and different parts. And remember, I'm making my lines smooth, and I want to make these lines all around her suit and her hat. This part of the video is gonna go faster, but remember that you can stop the video until you finish this part. And there, that's it. We finished this female soldier that we did in honor of all the people that has been serving this country. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. Now that I put all the colors, I choose like a light brown for the suit and different tones of green. And I also choose a darker color for the hair, a brown color for the hair, and a brown color for the skin. Remember that you can change all these colors. You can make that look a little different than mine, and that is okay. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope it was easy for you to follow. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.